iOS 26 beta is out, and Apple users rush to update their iPhone to try the newest features. However, some of them found their iPhone unable to check for update of iOS 26. If you are one of them, this video offers several ways out. Let's solve this issue together. First, let's fix the unable to check for updates issue. Just 3 steps should solve the problem for most people. Step 1. Check your network connection. Go to your Wi-Fi settings, select a stable, available network, and make sure your network connection is working. Step 2. Disconnect the VPN, open settings, go to General, and select VPN and device management. From here, turn off the VPN connection. Step 3. Reset network settings. If a configuration error is causing the connection problem, go to General, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. After the device restarts, reconnect to Wi-Fi and try to update to iOS 26 again. If your device still cannot update after completing the above steps, you can also choose to upgrade or downgrade using IPSW files. However, please note that we are not responsible for its security or stability. Visit the IPSW website and find the iOS file for your iPhone model. Then download the file and wait for the process to complete. Return to iTunes or Finder. Then hold down the Shift key, click Restore iPhone, and select the IPSW file you downloaded. After confirming the restore, your iPhone will be upgraded or downgraded to the version you downloaded. If you are not sure whether the inability to check for updates is due to an iPhone system problem, then I strongly recommend you use AnyFix. As an excellent iOS system repair tool, AnyFix can fix various iOS, iPadOS, and iTunes problems in minutes, such as an iPhone that is unable to reset or stuck in a boot loop. It provides 3 repair modes for different situations to ensure that your device keeps running at its best. You can get AnyFix from the link in the description below this video. Number 1. After launching AnyFix, click System Repair and select your system problem, Update Issues. Number 2. Select the Standard Repair mode, which will not erase your data. Number 3. Now you need to get the right firmware for your device. Click the Download button to get the firmware you need for your iPhone. 4. Wait for the firmware to download. After that, click the button to start the repair process. Do not disconnect until the device restarts and the repair is completed. 5. When you see the repair completed interface, click Finish and start your iPhone. If you have solved the system problem with AnyFix but still haven't received the iOS 26 update notification, you can also use AnyFix to upgrade directly with one click. Open AnyFix. Click the iOS Upgrade/Downgrade option, and then use the Upgrade function here. You need to download the iOS 26 firmware. After the download is complete, click Start Upgrade. This process takes about 10 minutes. Well, the iPhone has been upgraded and installed with iOS 26. If you are not used to the UI design of the new system and want to downgrade later, AnyFix can also perfectly solve your troubles. That's it. These are the solutions to the unable to check for updates error. We will continue to release the latest news about the iOS 26 beta versions. If you find this video useful, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.